exciting times ahead. I'm here actually after I filmed the video showing all this off, but I am here as an exciting and exclusive Northern Craftaholic UK exclusive, or NCUK because I abbreviate everything. I'm lazy when it comes to typing, but an NCUK exclusive. We have landed in the world of digital kits, and the most exciting thing is I have my own design team. Shock horror. Wow, I never ever thought I would be saying that out loud, let alone here on YouTube. But yes, I have my own digital kits and I have my own little dinky design team. Hi ladies! Yay! It kind of goes without saying my first choice was Michelle over at Shell's CCC, which is Shell's Cards, Colouring and Crafts. Links below to all these guys. Yeah, she was, like I said, by far my first choice because, you know, it was just like, I'm doing a design team, you can be on it. She's like, okay. I'm not expecting anything of any of them, to be honest, but I'm not expecting her to do much because obviously a lot of you know that Michelle's more into the digital side of things, digital world, because she makes cards and stuff like that. She's not a junk journaler like us guys, or a paper crafter, really, like we are. She makes cards, but I have given her, just her, exclusive rights to use any of these how she so wishes digitally as card backgrounds or that kind of thing. Nobody else can, just Michelle. Because obviously the nature of Michelle's business is a lot different to ours. So yeah, I've given her permission to use them digitally and alter them however she wants digitally for backgrounds on cards and bookmarks and all that sort of thing. Because like I said, she's in a whole different world crafts-wise to us. My other two members are Laurie. Hi Laurie! I'm so excited Laurie's on board. And Barb. Hi Barb! Laurie Goodman and Barb Dingwell, and their links are below. Laurie doesn't have a YouTube channel, neither does Barb. They don't have YouTube channels, and I'm not bothered. But they do have social media links below. Yes, so they're going to be my new little design team, and like I said, they actually don't have YouTube channels, but they're going to post me pictures of things they make and I will show them off here on the channel and then put them in a design team playlist, design team members playlist for them if they ever start up their own YouTube channel. Awesome. If they don't, I'm not fussed. However, I am, not right now, but I am going to be on the lookout for YouTubers who would like to be a part of my design team. So, eek. If you guys have a YouTube channel, if you guys would be interested in working with my kits, and I know you haven't seen them yet, you will have to wait and watch the other video. If you guys are interested in working with my kits, please let me know. I have absolutely no stipulations whatsoever YouTube channels wise. A lot of designers say, you know, people under 500 subscribers or people over 500, or you've got to have 100 subscribers. I don't care if you've got 1 or if you've got 20 or if you've got 2,000. If you want to play with my kits and you'd like to be a design team member, let me know. The email address for you to comment me up. I can't speak. The email address for you to contact me on with regards to that is below. It is a different email address to my normal business one. It has been set up specifically for this. But yes, and I will be choosing 5 people. Yeah, 5 people. So I will be choosing 5 people at random. So, you know, I'll leave it open for a while. I'll let you know when it's closed. But if you're watching this video, then it's open, although I suggest you do wait until the next video comes so you can see my kits. But yes, so you can message me and state your interest. Let me know your YouTube channel name. Send me your YouTube channel link or any other social media links that you have as well. You don't need any other social media. You don't need to be on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, but you do need a YouTube channel. But yeah, that's about it really. My kits are very basic. In fact, before, and you watched the other video, but I will just give you a little flip through, a little peek at what's coming up. My kits are very basic, but you know, they can you use as backgrounds and stuff. These are labels. You won't get these. You get this. I printed them two to a sheet, and then 4 to a sheet. So you get these labels. You get the blue version, and then you get a monochrome version. These will also be available in the Etsy shop, but this is what you get as design team members. Then there is a lace kit, so it is just a kit with laces and some scans of tea-dyed papers. I have not done any of these digitally, they apart from the labels. These have all been scans of vintage things, and that was just a scan of a huge random selection of my fibres from my sewing machine and bits of material and stuff. I just wanted something different. That's the same kit but printed onto cardstock, because obviously I was showing the difference between the two. Then there's this one, which is vintage material kit. Like I said, they're all very basic, but they're great, I thought anyway. That's the same kit. Oh, no, actually. That should be up there, and so should that. They should be first. This is the same kit printed onto cardstock. That's the same kit printed onto matte photo paper. It's awesome. I'll get to it. Don't know where it is now. That one, I love that. It prints amazing on matte photo paper. But yes, so that is the vintage material kit. Then I have some tea-dyed papers. A tea-dyed papers kit that prints out, for some strange reason, in purpley tones. Pinky purpley tones. On matte photo paper. I have no idea why, but it's awesome. But yeah, so like I said, I've absolutely no idea why it prints out like that on photo paper, but it does. But yeah, so as I said, the kits are very basic, but that is them. So if you think you'd be interested, then watch the next video for all the huge rambly details. If you think you'd be interested, then by all means pop me a link. These are going to be freebies, but I'm not going to go through them right now because that will be in the next video. But yeah, if you think you'd be interested, then pop a message below on the email address below, and then I will do a video when the cut-off date is for that. I'm not sure when yet. It depends how much interest I get, if any. I will, like I said, do a video showing the cut-off date and all the people that have shown interest. If I get more than 5, then I will do a random draw to choose those people at random. But as I progress, I will probably be after more. So, for the time being, my digitals are all going to be these style. I may do some more labels. That's the only thing I did digitally, the labels. I may do some more labels digitally. but they're all going to be this sort of thing where the scans of things. These are scans of my own wipe-off sheets from when I've been jelly printing, jelly plate printing. Like I said, the others are all this sort of thing. They are scans of vintage materials and doilies and things like that. So, yeah. So there you go, guys. But in the meantime, welcome to my design team, ladies. Laurie, Michelle and Barb. So excited. And oh, I can't wait to see what Laurie's doing. She keeps messaging me. She keeps emailing me saying, oh, I've had an idea. Can I do this? She keeps messaging, am I okay to do this with them? Can I do that with them? I don't mind if I can't, but I'm like, I never thought of doing that. Of course you can. And I've seen a picture of one thing that she did and I was like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. So yes, when that's finished, I can't wait to show you photos. I've only seen that one little snippet really, but from what she's saying about other things and other ideas she's had, I'm so excited to see what she does. But yeah, so anyway, and me and Barb also need to talk because she's given me a few ideas for other things besides. But yeah, so my little design team are amazing and I'm really looking forward to having anybody else on board as well. So yeah, and I'm going to go now because I'm just really overexcited because I've just done the video showing everything off and I'm a bit on a hyperactive mode at the moment, a hyperactive high at the moment. I need to go and have some coffee. Well, actually I don't, but I'm going to go and have some coffee. Yeah, also another thing I haven't done yet, but I'm going to do. The other day, with the weather being amazing here in the UK, I tea dyed and coffee dyed some of these invoices. They're not old or vintage or anything, they're actually new invoices, like literally brand new. I'm not sure what I've done. They're here. Yeah, the new ones. You know, I bought them on eBay actually. So they're not vintage or anything like that, but I've tea dyed them up to make them look vintage, and I used the same method as I did when I tea dyed my papers, and I got the awesome imprints on them. So it's like, eek! Now I don't think I can scan this, even though it's kind of a generic invoice, like looking invoice. I don't think I can scan that side, but I might just scan that side because you can see very faintly the lines through. So I don't know yet, we'll see. But yeah, and then these little receipts again on the backs. Some of them have got the imprint. I did some coffee dyed ones actually. They're still under the heavy books behind me, flattening out. I did some coffee dyed ones, and then thinking a bit clearer, instead of laying them down that way on the mats, I laid them down that way on the mats, so the pattern is on the front, and oh my god, they're amazing. But like I said, I don't think I can scan them because they're not vintage, even though there's nothing on them. They're not vintage, and that will be somebody's design. So, but I can get away with scanning the back. We'll see. But anyhow, so there we go, guys. But yeah, this is just an exciting, and I know I've rambled off, but this is just an exciting announcement to announce the fact that I am bringing out my own digital kits, and I have my own design team. Eek! I'm still on the design team for Tsunami Rose, although that's kind of put on hold at the moment because of everything going on. She hasn't been doing any calls for new design team projects, but you know, I'm just like everybody else, I'm just sitting there waiting for when she does. Although I do still have a kit, so I am going to merge the two kits together and come up with my own new little project just for a bit of fun. But yeah, so exciting times, and then I'm going to do my own design team, so I'm actually going to be my own design team member as well. So I'm makeup member number 4, because there's Michelle, Laurie and Barb Dingwell, then there's me, that makes 4, and there is another one, but at the moment she's actually declined at the moment because she has some family matters to attend to. But provisionally her place is still there, so if she ever changes in mind, you know, if she ever feels that she's okay to do so, then she's more than welcome. That 5th spot will always be available for her. I will never offer that to anybody else. Excuse me. So that's why I kind of would like another 5 more. So, anyway, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys. I'm just way too excited. But yeah, so I will love you and leave you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon. Goodbye!